Welcome back to the Jeff Congo Baking Show, Ancient Egypt edition. Ooh, spooky. Please welcome my talented guest stars, Beatrice Smith, Jackson Stumbaugh, and Mia Dale. Today, these talented chefs and chefettes will each make something different from the Egyptian cuisine.
I'm making Egyptian bread. It's inspired by the book Ancient Egyptian Comes to Life. First, we preheat the oven to 375 Whisk flour, salt, and sugar in the bowl. Then add oil and milk.
Contestants, time is up. Let's bring out the judges. She's a pro at history. She has the brains of an elephant. It's Amelia Brown. She's a pro at baking. She has her own channel. It's September Jones.
Thank you, Jeff. Thank you so much for having us.
And today I'm going to be making Middle Eastern bread. It is granola that the Jews made when they were enslaved by the Egyptian pharaohs.
Okay.
My granola will use rolled oats, dried cherries, honey, dates, and apricots. First step is to cook the granola or the oats. Get some oats, put them inside the bowl. Once that is done, you can get the cherries and start chopping them up. When you chop them up, just be careful because just chop them just right in half. Just something. Once those are done, you can start working on the dates. The dates might not be the best, like you might stick together, but if they do, they just add some sugar. Then with the apricots, just slice them into fourths and then slice them right down the middle to have 8 pieces from each apricot. And for the rest. food is done, just keep them together. Then, using the cutting board, put them in. And then, use the honey and just put just a little bit in. And then, all I have to do is mix it up, and then I'll put it in the oven. Or we're going to be mixing it up with a spoon, and then we're going to be putting it in the oven. You want to make sure that nothing sticks to the sides, and make sure the honey gets everywhere so it really sticks together. Once that is done, put the oven for 325 and put it in.
Baklava has been in the oven for 50 minutes. I can take it out. Now, I pour the syrup onto it. Now that the syrup is on it, I have to let it sit for several hours so that the syrup makes it taste like honey.
If you would please step aside so the judges can make their final decisions. We will see you right after this commercial break. Contestants, it is time to find out the winner. And the winner is Preheat.
Oh my god! Yay!
It is time to find out the winner. And the winner is... Come on down to Jen and Larry's and get a pint of ice cream here or to go. For only $90.99. Okay. Wow, such low prices.
Okay, so I'm gonna walk on. So I'll walk on like I'm going through the store.
But why do you want to walk on?
No, it'll be like somebody walking through the store. That's why I'm like,
I already did the background. And it doesn't.
that's for scene 1 in the commercial.
B. So, this is you. So you saw me.
The squishmallow?
Yeah, the squishmallow.
Wait, no, but I throw you the squishmallow.
Yeah.
Am I being Jackson right now?
Yeah. So,
And then walk on, like walking through the store.
no, wait, you're not B. So, I feel like it's a little better because I made the background for scene 1 and scene 2.
But it's really short, and me doing the voiceover in scene 1, and then it's gonna be like punching.
Why can't I extend the video? Why don't you get that?
I can't, you can't extend the video, but when did I teach you to walk for like a real thing? Commercials are like that.
Yeah, but those commercials are like dark. This is about the
Five Above is better than Dolly.
I don't want to be mean, but you were pretty bad in the last thing. It was called Five Above, and
Why are you so mean? It just makes no sense. I tried so hard to be good, and then you're being too quiet, and everyone's targeting me. It makes no sense, and you're so annoying, and you can be nice sometimes.
Be the
I don't want to hear it. Leave me alone.
commercial.
No!
Okay.
Okay, I put weight.
That's okay. Don't worry about it, because you're not actually going to put it on top.
What are we
Right?
doing? It's still rolling.
That's okay.
I got
Again,
it.
we can. I just want to know, are you nervous?
A little.
How do I take to do this? Good God! I'm gonna get you something.
Oh my god! Oh guys, this was recording the whole time.
Pete, cut the stick. Don't do it, Pete.
Mia, stop running!
No!
Mr. Smith's gonna yell at you!
Mia's on the road.
Oh my god! Mia, are you okay?
She deserves it.
Jackson, how can you do that? I was recording this whole time. I'm just gonna know how much of a jerk you are! Mia! Look at the camera, are you okay?
I don't know.
Oh no!
Hi, everybody. Come on down to General Larry's and get a pint of ice cream here or to go for only $90.99. They come in all flavors. My favorite's peanut butter. Big.
Okay, cut. So, by the way, don't do peanut butter because nobody likes peanut butter. Everyone likes vanilla, and that may not be everybody's favorite, but at least they like it a little bit. Like, peanut butter's nasty. Nobody likes peanut butter. Jane doesn't like peanut butter. My dad doesn't like peanut butter. It's peanut butter! No, I thought you didn't like peanut butter. Mia, I thought you were besties. No one likes vanilla. It's too simple. No.
Guys, I'm recording.
Guys,
Guys, they never